And today, special thanks to our friends over at this company who are nice enough to send us this Sun Rain Shade Camera Cover 1-pack. This is a protective cover for your outdoor security camera to help keep it out of the sun and out of rain. This would be really great if maybe your camera is blinded by the sun due to where it's positioned at as the sun rises or as the sun sets. This could help cover that brightness so that your camera is actually usable during that time and not just blinded by the sun. Inside of this little package, you get the shade itself. It's white on top, black underneath, and also you get your needed screws for mounting it. Now that is the sticker on this item. Essentially, you'd be able to mount it with these 4 holes here and the 4 included screws, and it would protect your camera, something like this here. So you have a camera like this, or any kind of camera, you have it mounted to the wall, and then you're able to just set this over it to protect it from the rain and the sun and everything else. So that is essentially what this camera shade cover would do. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.